So good morning everyone once again. In the last class we have seen exercise 14.2 question number 5. This was which part? Question 5 first part. Let us take one more part of question 5 so that it is clear to you. So let's take question 5 second part. It is having a negative sign. We can take third part also. Third part is better. P square plus 6p minus 16. Class, this question is little bit misleading. This question is little bit misleading because the first thing that I observe is this p square must have come from p whole square. This 16 must have come from what? Class, first you tell me, is it possible to have a square with negative sign? Both the formulas that we have seen were containing b square and a square minus 2ab plus b square. In both the cases, plus sign was there with the square term. Negative was never there. Class, if you have seen, negative was never there. And if you write like this, suppose you want to write like this, you will say, sir, what if I write like this? It is okay. But can you ever have a negative number square of any number? If you have minus 4 square, can it be negative 16? Please tell me. No. Square of any number, whether positive or negative, can never be a negative number. Not possible. So, in this case, although it looked a identity from 1 to 3, but it was not. We cannot use that. So we have to use which identity? Fourth one, that is x plus a, x plus b, or the middle term splitting. They are normally or they are closely the same. So let us start the method of fourth identity. Let me take the blue pen. Okay, so we have to compare it with which formula? X square plus a plus b. Yes, Mridhi beta. Negative, negative, positive. Okay, good. So x plus ab. We have to compare with this. And if we are able to compare with this, we will directly say the answer is x plus a into x plus b. That's it. Now tell me, class. After observation, what can you say? This x equal to what? X equal to what? X equal to p, because it is x square, it is p square, so square square same, that means x equal to p. Hiteshri, not p square beta, only p. You have to compare properly. If you see, this square was same, so what was left? Only x and p, they are equal. Now we have a plus b. Class, please compare the constant term and tell me a plus b equal to. Harshul, very good. Others, please try. Here x is variable, here p is variable. The constant here is a plus b. The constant here is, no Hiteshri, you have to observe, x is the variable, they are comparable. They are already done. This is the constant part, a plus b. And here the constant is 6 only. Yes. So a plus b is 6. Now tell me, what is the value of a into b? A into b is, yes, please compare. Yes, it is minus 16. Very good. Because even if you write it like this, p square plus 6p plus minus 16. So this is your AB minus 16. Now we have got a plus b as 6, a into b as minus 16. Now we have to think first of all the nature. Class, please tell me, what is the nature of numbers? Both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative. Please tell me. Okay, Hiteshri, very good. Because the product is negative and the sum is positive, we can think it is possible only when one is positive and one is negative. Now the question arises, which one is larger? You are correct. There is one positive, one negative. Just tell me which one is larger, because you have to see the sum and tell me which one is larger, positive or negative. Yes, the positive one is larger. Very good. Because the sum is coming positive. So, in our mind, it is clear that the numbers are of different sign and the positive one is larger. Now comes the next task. The next task is to find the value of a and b. For this, we will take ab value 16 and we will prime factorize it. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. And now we will try to make some pairs and we will see which pair is working for us. Class, what do you say? Which pair will work? If I take 2 and 2, it will not work because 4 and minus 4 become 0. It will not work. By 4 and minus 4 will give you product minus 16, but it will not give you the sum. So this pair is wrong. Please tell me, Ananya, very good. Others, please try. Which pair will help you? Which pair will help you? Others, please try. Which pair can give you a sum of 6 and a product of minus 16? Good, Aryan. Very good. Aryan, one mistake you have done. Please observe. I have told you the positive one should be larger. Rachit, from where you got 3 and 1, beta? Rachit, you have to make your pairs from this prime factorization only, beta. Rachit, Joel, correct, but the same mistake. You have to see which one is larger. See, if I take these 3 2 together, it becomes 8. If I take this 2 alone, it becomes only 2. And we have seen negative should be smaller one. Now please observe. If I take the numbers as 8 and minus 2, what will happen? 8 minus 2 will be 6, which is similar to this one. And 8 into minus 2 will be minus 16. So class, is this correct to take 8 and minus 2? Yes, Mridhi. Good. So you have to understand this positive and negative is very important to understand which one is larger. Okay, don't change the sign on your own. You have to observe carefully which one is larger, which one is smaller, and in that case you will do. So class, we have found. Now just put the value. Sir, I have doubt in question 5 fourth part. Okay, but I will take. In question 5 fourth part is not there, Rudra. Please check again. In question 5th there are only 3 parts. Now let's put the value. So it becomes, the question was p square plus 6p, na? It becomes p square plus 8 minus 2p plus 8 into minus 2. Class, any doubts in this thing that I have done? Please ask. Any doubts in this one? So I have just broken the middle term in 8 and minus 2. And now we can say directly the answer is p plus 8 plus, what should be the next term? Please tell. First term is p plus 8 and second term is, please tell. First term is p plus 8 and second one will be p minus 2. Very good. Very good, Saurabh. You are also correct. It is good to see you are answering. Yashna, good. Rachit, good. Now, Rudra, you were saying fourth part, but there is only third part that we have discussed. If you have the question, you can type the question. Class, please check in your book. Are there four parts in question 5? I only have 3 parts in my book. Can you please discuss the question? Aryan also saying 3 parts are there. Rudra, you can give me the question if you have the 4th part. Yes, Vanshika is saying only 3 parts are there. Soham. Okay, so let us move to the next topic now. Sir, sorry. Question fourth part. Okay. Let us take question fourth part. Rudra was having doubt in this. Sorry, is having doubt in this one. So question 4, fourth part for Rudra. In this question, we have a power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b power 4. Again, we will try to observe, can we use the common thing? No, we cannot take common from all of them. Can we go for regrouping? No, because there are 3 terms only, we cannot do the regrouping. The third one is identity 1 and 2 applicable over here? For that, we have to check. Rudra, please tell, this a power 4 came from what? Rudra, please tell, this a power 4 came from what? This thing we can do in our mind also, but here I'm just showing you, this came from a square whole square. Similarly, we can say this b power 4 came from what? B square whole square. Now we have to check for the middle term. If I write minus 2 and I write this term a square and I write this term b square and put a plus sign, please tell me class, are these two similar? We have to verify like this only. Are these two similar? Yes, they are similar because minus 2a square b square it will come. So we are very much, what you say, in a position to say it is similar to comparing with. Please tell me the formula class. The formula variable should be what? If the question is in a and b, we should write the formula in which variable to reduce the confusion class. If the question is in a and b, we should write the formula in x and y, and we should compare with x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is equal to, sir, I have doubt in x power 4 minus x minus z. What is, okay. Oops, sorry, I took fifth part. Sorry. Okay, Rudra, my mistake. I will do that also. So in this case, we can say it is x minus y whole square. And finally, we can compare and say x equal to what? Please tell class, if you compare these two, square compared, tell me what is the value of x. Please be very careful. Ananya, don't hurry. Yes. Now correct. Vardhan correct. Rachit correct. Yes, you have to compare the powers first. Powers are same. So x will be equal to a square. Very good. And this y will be equal to b square, and hence the answer is a square minus b square whole square. Yes, this is the answer. Smridhi, one mistake beta. Okay, you are telling the both the variables. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's take the fourth part first. He had doubt in fourth part. Let us take that also. Rudra, see, in this case, what I have to do is, I can see this is a single variable and this is a double variable. So what we can do is, we can make it single first. How? We can take it as some y or z. Okay, sorry, no, y or m, whatever you want. So let x minus z is equal to m. First thing, I will try to make it substitution. So the question becomes x power 4 minus m power 4. Now nothing is coming to my mind because I have not studied any formula of this type. Srishti, I have not studied any formula of this type, Rudra. So what we can do is, we can think of this formula, a square minus b square. But this is power 4, so we should try to make it power 2. We can write this as x square square minus m square square. Rudra, is that okay? Rudra, is that okay? We can do like that. Saurabh, what I have done is, I have replaced x minus z with m to make it simple. Now this is the term. Now comparing with this, we can say this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So comparing with this, please tell me what is the value of a. If you compare these two formulas, please tell me what is the value of a. Please tell the value of a. Yes, it is x square. Very good. What is the value of b? What is the value of b? Just compare the powers first and then the inside things. Yes, it is m square. Now we just have to put in the formula. Formula is a plus b into a minus b. Just put. Therefore, we will get a plus b, a minus b, that is x square plus m square into x square minus m square. That's it. Now tell me class, before resubstitution, can we further simplify it? Before doing the resubstitution, can we further simplify it? Rudra, you also tell beta. Can we further simplify it? Yes. See, this first one cannot be simplified, but the second one can be simplified. So it becomes x square plus m square into x plus m into x minus m. That's it. And now we can do the substitution again. We have assumed m as x minus z. So let's put the value. It will become x square plus x plus z whole square. Again we have x plus z, then x minus x plus z. If you have observed, I have properly resubstituted all the values in bracket. Without bracket, if you will substitute, it will be a mistake from your side. Okay. So now if you want, you can open the bracket, or not, it is okay. So just like that, you can write x square. It is also a square, na? 1 second. X square plus m square, na? It is a mistake, sorry. You didn't tell me. This was the thing. We have square over here. That's it. This was the thing. If you want, you can open it. If you don't want, you can leave it at this only. Now open this one. X plus x will become 2x plus z, and here x and x will subtract and they will cut. So this is the answer. Yes class? Any doubts? Please ask. Please ask if any doubts. Okay. Rudra, is it clear to you? Rudra, please confirm. Okay. So you can recheck it again. If any issue, you can ask. Now let's start the next topic. Next topic is division of a monomial by another monomial. Let's see. Division of a monomial by another monomial. Let's see. Last we have studied addition of monomials and multiplication of monomials. Now we will learn the division of monomials. It is very simple. Suppose you have an example over here. Example minus 20x power 4 divided by 10x square. It is simple. We just need to do the prime factorization, and with the common, what you say, numbers will be eliminated simply. So we can write like this: minus 20 x power 4 upon 10 x power 2. What it will become? We can write 20 as 2 into 2 into 5. We can write x as x into x into x into x. Upon we have this 10 as 2 into 5 into x into x. Now if you observe, this x and x can cancel each other. This x and this x can cancel each other. 2 and 5. Now what is left is your answer. The left thing is minus 2. X into x is what, class? It is x square. So this is the answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. No issues, because there was only one negative sign, so it will remain. Ananya, how you got x square only? Why, where is your minus 2? Sir, x power 4. Why beta? 2x are cancelled, na? Yes, Smriti, it is interesting beta. There are 4x, okay. But Joel, we have cancelled 2x, na? You can see I have cancelled 2x because they were same to same. You can see. Yes, Joel, I saw multiply. Okay, actually they are in division, they can cancel. We have studied in numbers also. Just let me show you. Just see. If you have 2 plus 3 upon 2, doing this is correct or wrong? Please tell me, class. Yes, beta Vardhan, we have to subtract the powers. I will tell you after this. Class, please tell me, can we cut like this? 2 and 2? No, Hiteshri, it is wrong. It is very wrong. Yes, because why it is wrong? Why can't we cut these two? Please tell, why can't we cut this? Because positive is there. Yes, in between 2 plus 3 we have positive. We cannot cut like this. But if it was 2 into 3 upon 2, in that case it was correct. Here it is wrong. So class, same thing is here also. As all were multiplying, as all were multiplying and there was a division thing, so we were able to cut like this, the same numbers. Okay, that was the thing. Now one more concept for you. In the same question, if you don't want to expand like this, let me give you a small trick. Let me just rub this and I will show you how it can be done. We have learned if same bases are multiplying, powers will add. Class, you remember that thing? When same base multiply, powers add. In the case of division, when same base are dividing, the powers will subtract. So we will say we have minus 20 upon 10 x power, we have 4 over here, we have 2 over here, it becomes 4 minus 2. Okay. Okay, Ananya. Ananya is saying Joel and others had confusion because the multiplication sign looked like x. That's why you were saying it was x power 4. Okay. So we can say 0, 0 cancel. Answer is minus 2 x power 2. Simply like this. This is also a formula of exponents and powers. We will see in the chapter also, when there are two things getting divided like this. Suppose you have a power 3 upon a power 2. You can say as the bases are same and getting divided, the answer is a power 3 minus 2, that is a power 1. This is a rule of exponents. Now let us take some polynomials in division example. So division of a polynomial by monomial. Rahil, audio not connected. So Rahil can join again if she is having any issue. Please see an example. Suppose we have divide 24 x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square divided by 8xyz. Class, I have told you, first we should always try to take common. To make things simple, we should first try to take things common. First tell me, is there anything common in the above term? In the numerator, is there anything common? Because dividing like this won't be possible. I have told you, in between there is plus sign. You cannot cut like that. In this case, you have to take something common and then only you can solve. Yes, class? Tell me, what can we take common? Sir, power 1 and power 0 are different. Yes, beta. Let me show you. We have learned till now 2 power 1 and 2 power 0. Class, please tell me what is the answer of 2 power 1? Its answer is 2 and 2 power 0 is 1. So Any number power 0 is 1. So if I take x power 0, class tell me, if I take x power 0 and x power 1, what is the difference? X power 1 is x only, but x power 0 is 1. So whatever number you take, even if you take 3x cube y square z whole power 0, that is also 1. So if your main power is 0, the answer will be 1 only, whether it is a variable or a constant. Okay, Joel? Now, let's come back to the question. So to solve such kind of question, we cannot cut like this. I have told you why. Class, we cannot cut like this. You remember? Because in between we have a plus sign. So we cannot cut like that. We have to do something else. What will we do? We will try to take common. So we will see in the first term, in the second term, in the third term, x is common, y is common, z is common. So let's take them out. 24 x, y, z. Now, what is left inside? Class, please help me. What is left inside? In the first place, what is left? If we have taken x, y, z common, what is left inside at the first place? Yes, it is x only, because here we had x square. Now tell me what is left at the second place? Y is left. Very good. And in the third place, what is left? Z. And denominator we have 8 x, y, z. Now here all are multiplying, here all are multiplying. Can we divide them now? Class, can we divide them now? Yes, now we can divide them. Z and z cancel, y and y cancel, x and x cancel. And 8 3s are 24. So the answer is 3x plus y plus z. This is the answer. Very good, Vardhan. Correct. We have how much time left? 2-3 minutes are left. We can take one more example. Let us take. Okay, let's take this one. Example number 15. I want you people to try all these questions of exercise. They all are easy based on this only. So the question is divide 44 x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24 x square upon 11 x minus 8. Now class, tell me, what should we do? How should we solve it? First, we should try to take common. What is common in the numerator? Please tell me. What is common in the numerator? First, we should try to take common. Yes, Hiteshri, very good. Others, please try. What is common in the numerator? Yes, Smriddhi, one mistake, beta. You are only seeing the x. If you observe, it is x power 4, x power 3, x power 2. So we can take x square as common. Yes, so 44 x square is common. What is left inside is very important. First place we had x power 4, out of which x square is outside. So what is left? X square is left. You can recheck. If you multiply these two, you will get back the first term. Now we have a negative sign. Tell me what is left after negative sign? Yes, very good. Yashna, yes, 5x is left minus 5x. Then again we have a negative sign. What is left? 24. Nothing. Only 24, because x square is outside only. Sir, how x square will come with 44? Beta, Saurabh, x square I have taken common. See, we had x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square. Out of this, I have taken x square outside. That's why it came out like this. And outside we already had 44. So they both became in multiplication. Yes, 44 was already out in advance, Joel is saying. Saurabh, I hope you are able to understand. X square came out because of taking common, and when it came out, it came in multiplication with 44. Okay? Saurabh, please confirm. So 11x, x minus 8. Now we have to solve further. Class, if you observe now, we can cut 11 and 44, 11 fours are. Similarly, this x and this is x square. What will happen? Okay, don't cut it like this because it will be confusing. In the next step, we can say as the bases are same, power will subtract x power 2 minus 1, x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x minus 8. Just बेटा हो गया, बट मेरा खत्म हो गया. Now we have the answer as x into x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x minus 8. Class, now we think this is the answer, but maybe we can solve this further and this will also cut. So you can try on your own by factorizing this term and see whether they are coming same in numerator and denominator, and we can cancel them. So if they are able to cancel, you can cancel them again. Okay. So if any doubts, we will discuss in next class. Time is up. Let me stop the recording.